Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss XRP and conduct machine learning based price forecast, regression analysis, accumulation strategy, and estimated bull run target. None of the content is financial advice. We have been covering XRP on our channel throughout the bear market and recovery year. You can see over here we have made this is our channel. We have made about 20-25 videos related to XRP. All the way when the price of XRP was between 30 cents and 50 cents. You can see the price over here. If we compare since 2023 when the channel began, the price back then was at around 40 cents. At one point, as low as the price went as low as about 36 cents. Now the price is at around $2.32. And again, this is we like to maintain the consistency related to our forecasts as well as any analytics that we run on the channel. Right now, the market cap of XRP at around 132 billion, volume about 23 billion. That represents almost one fifth of the total market cap is actively traded over the last 24 hours. In terms of tokenomics, this particular crypto is slowly approaching this 60% target that we have on the channel, where out of the max supply, about 57% is already in circulation. This particular crypto has made a new high since 2021. Ignoring this 2017 high, this is the new high since 2021 bull run peak. This is the analytics that we have with respect to technical analysis based on Fibonacci levels. The entirety of the move from the bull market high or previous bull market high at around $1.96 has been retraced. Now the current high at one point of time was at around $2.51. The key level to look forward in terms of Fibonacci or Fib levels is 1.618. Fib coming in at around $3. The 2.618, which is a moderate target for this bull run per the Fibonacci levels, is coming in at around $4.71, and kind of a lofty goal for XRP coming in at around $6.40. Again, an incremental move from here on would be much harder to gain in terms of the market cap, because as we saw, again the market cap currently is at around $132 billion. So if XRP were to do a 2x from here, that would have to lift the market cap to about 250 billion, and if it were to have to make a 3x, that would make the market cap close to 400 billion. And a 400 billion market cap in terms of the top 100 cryptos by market cap, again only Bitcoin and Ether have that market cap more than about 400 billion. Again, Ether is barely above 400 billion. Bitcoin honing in on this $2 trillion market cap. Now we'll focus exclusively on XRP in terms of our machine learning based price model. Again, this model takes into the consideration of weekly price action for XRP and presents three scenarios. First is the directionality based model, this pink line, which is the base case of the model, between $1.85 to about $2.34. The price on this pink line do not matter as much as the directionality matters. The directionality per the model is pointing towards an upward bias, or the likelihood of price going higher with time than downward slope. In terms of the machine learning model based price analysis for XRP for this bull run, if this parabolic rally were to continue between now and early May of 2025, the price action between $2.22 and about $11. So that's the bull case. The bear case is between 75 cents and about $1.55. That's the most likely scenario for XRP is somewhere between this pink line and this yellow line. If you were to ask me, again, this is just an opinion. In terms of the regression based analysis for XRP, we also have a retirement based model. If time permits, we will cover that model as well. The regression based analysis points XRP, the fair value, again the polynomial regression based analysis points at around 72 cents. Again, we are several standard deviations away from the from the fair value, again slightly higher than the 2 standard deviation peak, even really close to the 3 standard deviation peak, coming in at around $2.56. So that is again one key area of resistance to watch. If XRP meaningfully breaks this $2.56 level, then the shape of the regression function will more likely change towards a more bullish slope than the current kind of neutral slope that it has been having since about 2021. Essentially, the slope for this particular pink line, which is the fair value, is between this 50 cents till about 70 cents across, let's say, from almost across 4 years, from 2021 till end of 2024. So this again points to again, if there were a pullback, the 2 standard deviation ceiling coming in at around $1.70. So that is one key level to watch. The $2.56 is the key level to watch for the 3 standard deviation peak for XRP. Now we'll spend some time on the CAGR based model that we have for XRP. This is the retirement model. We'll start with the 30% CAGR model, which is a expected bull case if, let's say, XRP grows year over year at around 30%. And also, if you look at this is the bull case with 30% annual growth with 30% decline in the bear market year. So that means in a year where all of the crypto market goes down. So if you believe in the 4-year market cycle hypothesis, you can see over here. Let's look at XRP, which is one crypto on this analysis. You can see again in 2022 the price for XRP was down by about 60%. If we look at in 2018, again a similar story, down by about 84%. But if we kind of assume that in the upcoming bear market, let's say in 2026, the prices don't go down by 60 or 80%, but rather than stay relatively bullish during the bear market year, again that means it drops only by 30%, then by 60%, then the and again also an multiplier for 2025 at around $4, assuming a conservative peak for 2025 at around $4. This is the projected growth story for XRP at 30% up and 30% down in bear market. In 2029 price at around $7, in 2033 peak at around $11, in 2037 at around $17, and in 2040 at around $20. Again, you can check this in a tabular format over here. This green line, which represents this bull case at 30% up and 30% down in bear market. The XRP token needed to be a millionaire. If XRP goes to $4, it would be at around 250,000 XRP tokens. If XRP goes to about $10, about $10 or $11, the number of XRP needed would be at around 90,909. At $20, it's roughly at around exactly at around 50,000 XRP token needed to be a XRP millionaire. In the case that XRP manages to grow, instead of 30%, it manages to grow at around 45%, and in the bear market drops 40%, because if it goes up a lot in the bull market, the chances that it goes down in the bear market are higher than before. If 2025 represents about a $6 XRP, and if it drops by about 40% in 2026 until 2029, again 4 years later, price at around $11, 2033 $20, 2037 $37, and 2040 at around $47. In that case, the number of XRP tokens needed to be a millionaire would be in 2025 at around 166,000, in over here at around 2029 at around 90,000, at around 2040 around 21,000. And again, this does not consider any staking. This just is buy and hold related model. This is the XRP CAGR story. Now we'll having covered the machine learning graph as well as CAGR model and regression analysis. All of the content, by the way, on the website is available for free. You don't have to sign up, pay, or watch any ads or something. It's all free. The SMA model that we have, this is the accumulation strategy related model, is pointing a peak at around high risk levels. Again, this is not surprising because the price has really gone too far away from the 20-week moving average. So this is one model. Looking at this model in the bear market of 2022, the risk levels back then were only 5%. Again, we made several videos when the price was at around between 30 cents and 50 cents. So that was again the great time to buy. Again, this is just a fact. This is not just any opinion. In terms of the DCA model, again a similar story at around 98% risk at this point in time. Again, not too long ago, the risk were less than 20% when the price was 51 cents in and the day was again as late as about November 7th of 2024. So a lot has happened over the last 3 or 4 weeks in terms of the time weighted average price, again establishing some of the higher risk levels at this point in time. An estimated bull run peak for XRP with respect to this current price action is coming in at around $2.67, and that represents very close to about about a 10 or 12% return from here. This is again just a conservative estimate of what the risk reward is looking like for XRP. And if in terms of let's say the bull market has, if we were to analyze how far are we in terms of a bull run peak, per this analysis this is pointing that about 52%, or we are halfway through in terms of the bull market. This takes into consideration how the top 100 cryptos are doing by market cap. Are they rallying a lot? Are they based on their historical alpha as well as volatility beta and risk adjusted returns and percent drawdown? This is how we estimate if the market is too overheated or cooled down. Right now this market is representing this moderate risk in this yellow color code. We were in this low risk environment not too long ago, as late as about 20th November 2024, and essentially all of the DCA when made in this lowest risk territory. The last print that we made was in September of 2024 when the risk levels were less than 20%. That's where the major DCA makes the most sense. And if you want to go even conservative, then anytime when the risk levels are less than 10%, that's the best bang for the buck. Historically speaking, during the June 2022 crash as well as October 2022 and November and December 2022 crash, that price point represented some of the best time to dollar cost average. Again, all of this content available for free at your fingertips. This model is available on this peak value. We like to call it a peak value because it represents the valleys where the DCA makes the most sense, and the peak when the DCA out of the market makes the most sense. So in terms of the last but not the least is some of the popular overall sentiment over the last 24 hours pointing at around 60% positivity. XRP over here, in terms of the narratives which are popular in the market right now, in terms of the social media activity such on YouTube and X, XRP has a decent attention of the crypto market. This narrative gaining a lot of popularity over the last 3 to 4 weeks. And in terms of the performance of XRP over the last key performance period, XRP over here over the last 24 hours rallied by about 20%. Number 2 only to be outshined by HBAR. In terms of 7-day performance, again a number 2 spot for XRP, 64% algo rallying at around 88%. Again, we had made videos for HBAR and algo as well as some of the other top 100 cryptos on this channel. Also, we have covered extensively on XLM. In terms of the last 30 days, XRP is grabbed the number 3 spot, rallying by about 358%, and over the last 90 days about a 5th spot at around again 318%. The ones which rallied more than XRP, HBAR, SUI, Doge and XLM, we have all covered them on the channel, and not just now that the market is bullish, we have been covering them in the depths of the bear market in 2023 and recovery year of 2023 and 2024. So with this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe to stay updated on more such awesome content related to crypto, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.